Om Sri Lakshmi Narsimhaya Namaha. Bhasma Jabala Upanishad. Om, O Devas, may we hear with our ears what is auspicious. May we see with our eyes what is auspicious. O, A worthy of worship. May we enjoy the term of life allotted by the Devas, praising them with our body and limbs steady. May the glorious Indra bless us. May the all-knowing Sun bless us. May Garuda, the thunderbolt for evil, bless us. May Brahaspati grant us well-being. Om, let there be peace in me. Let there be peace in my environment. Let there be peace in the forces that act on me. I am the absolute Brahman, only which, after being understood in its true aspect as one with this Atman, entirely burns into ashes, Bhasma, the ignorance, illusion or Maya, of considering this universe to be existing, that is real, and separate from one's own self, through the destructive fire of supreme knowledge. Once, Busunda, a descendant of Jabali, went to Kailasa peak and prostrated before Lord Mahadeva, Shiva, who is the form of Omkara and who is beyond the trinity of Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra. Busunda worshipped Shiva with great devotion again and again, through fruits, flowers and leaves. Then he questioned Lord Shiva, Lord, kindly impart to me the essential knowledge of all the Vedas, embodying the process and technique of using the Bhasma, that is the sacred ash, because it is the only means for attaining liberation. What is Bhasma made of? Where should it be applied? What are the mantras to be recited? Who are the persons fit for this? What are the rules regarding it? Kindly instruct me, born from depressed class. The kind Lord Parameshwara said, at first the devotee, after understanding the influence of the celestials at the prescribed time, should fetch some sacred and pure cow dung early in the morning, keep it in the leaf of Palasa tree, and then dry it with the Vedic mantra Trayambakam, etc. in the sun. Then he should burn the dry cow dung placed in a convenient place with any fire that is available, according to the rules laid down in the Grihya Sutras of his sect, and then pour ahutis of sesamum and paddy together with ghee, with the mantra Somaya Swaha. The number of ahutis should be 1008, or if possible, 1.5 times this. The instrument for pouring ghee should be made of leaf. In that case, man does not commit any sin. Then, at the end, the devotee should offer the oblation of Shveshakruta at the time of Purna Ahuti, with the mantra Trayambakam, etc. With the same mantra, Bali, an offering should be placed in the 8 directions. Bali, an offering should be placed in the 8 directions of the fire. That Bhasma should be sprinkled with water by the Gayatri mantra. Then that sacred ash should be placed in a gold, silver, copper or earthen vessel and sprinkled again with the Rudra mantra. It should then be kept in a clean and decent place. Then the devotee should honor the Brahmins with a grand feast. Then only he will become purified. Then he should take that Bhasma from the vessel with the Pancha Brahma mantras, Manastoka, Sandhyo Jatam, etc. and with the idea that fire is Bhasma, air is Bhasma, water is Bhasma, earth is Bhasma, ether is Bhasma, gods are Bhasma, rishis are Bhasma, all this universe and existence are Bhasma. I prostrate to the sacred and purifying Bhasma which destroys all my sins. Then the devotee should keep a little Bhasma with the clean palm of his left hand, saying, Vamadevaya, this is to Vamadeva. Sprinkle with the mantra Trayambakam, etc. and cleaning it with the mantra Shuddham Shuddhena, etc. Then he should filter it nicely. Then he should apply it from head to foot with the 5 Brahma mantras. With the first finger, middle finger and the ring finger, he should apply the same to the middle of the head, saying to the head, and O Bhasma, thou hast come from Agni. He should apply Bhasma at the top of the head with the mantra Murdhanam, on the forehead with Triambakam, etc., on the neck with Neelagrivaya, etc., on the right side of the neck with Trayayusham, etc., and Vama, etc., on the cheek with Kalaya, etc., on the eyes with Trilokachanaya, etc., on the ears with Srinavama, etc., on the mouth with Prabhavama, etc., on the heart, chest with Atmane, etc., on the navel with Nabhine, etc., on the right shoulder with Bhavaya, etc., on the right elbow with Rudraya, etc., on the right wrist with Sarvaya, etc., on the back of the right palm with Pashupataye, etc., on the left shoulder with Ugraya, etc., on the left elbow with Agrivadhaya, etc., on the left wrist with Durevidhaya, etc., Vadhaya, etc., on the back of the left palm with Namo Hartre, etc., over the shoulder blades with Shankaraya, etc. The devotee should then prostrate to Shiva with the mantra Somaya, etc. He should wash the hands and drink the ash water with the mantra Apa Punantu, etc. The water should never be spilled down from any cause. Thus, this practice of Bhasmadharana should be done in the morning, noon, and evening. If he does not do this, he will become fallen. This very thing is the prescribed dharma of all Brahmins. Without having Bhasmadharana in this fashion, he should never take any food, water, or anything else. Accidentally, if this practice is forgotten that day, Gayatri should not be repeated. No yagna should be done on the day. No tarpana should be offered to gods, rishis, or pitrus. This is the eternal dharma that destroys all sins and gives the final state of moksha. This is the daily rite of Brahmins, Brahmacharins, Grahasthas, Vanaprasthas, and Sannyasins. If this is overlooked even once, he should stand in water up to the neck, repeating Gayatri 108 times and fast the whole day. If a sannyasin does not wear bhasma even a single day, he should fast during the whole day and do 1000 pranavajapa for being purified once again. Otherwise, the Lord will throw these sannyasis to dogs and wolves. In case this kind of bhasma is not available, any other bhasma that may be at hand should be used with the prescribed mantras. This kind of practice shall destroy any kind of sins that may be committed by man. Then again, Basunda asked Shiva, what are the daily rites to be performed by a Brahmin, by neglecting which he will commit a sin? Who is to be then meditated upon? Who is to be remembered? How to meditate? Way to practice this? Please tell me in detail. The Lord answered all in a nutshell. First of all, the devotee should get up early in the morning before sunrise, and after finishing the purificatory actions, should take his bath. He should clean the body with the Rudra Suktas. Then he should wear a clean cloth. After this, he should meditate on the sun god and apply bhasma to all the prescribed parts of the body. He should then wear the Rudraksha as prescribed. Some prescribe the following way of wearing Rudraksha beads. Over the head should be worn 40 Rudraksha beads, 1 or 3 beads on the chest, 12 beads over each of the 2 ears, 32 beads around the neck, 16 beads around each of the upper arms, 12 beads around each of the wrists, 6 beads around each of the thumbs. Then the devotee should observe Sandhya with the Kushagras in his hand. He should do japa of either Shiva Sadakarsha or Shiva Ashtakshara, Om Namah Shivahaya and Om Namo Mahadevaya are the 2 mantras. This is the highest truth and the greatest instruction. I myself am the great Lord Shiva, God of all gods, the supreme controller of all the universes. I am that impersonal Brahman. I am Omkara. I am the creator. preserver, and destroyer of all. Through my terror only, all are working properly. I am this world and the five elements. I am the highest truth that exists, the Brahman of the Upanishads. This is the greatest Vidya. I am the only giver of moksha. Hence, all people come to me for final help. That is why I observe into my being those creatures who leave their pranas at Banares, which is standing at the top of my Trishula, that is trident. Therefore, everyone should perform penance at Banaras only. Banaras should not be neglected under any circumstances. Everybody should try to live at Banaras as far as possible. No place is better than Banaras. Even at Banaras, the most celebrated is the temple of Shiva, where in the east there is the place of wealth, in the south the place of Vichara, in the west the place of Vairagya, and in the north the place of Jnana. There in the middle, I, the eternal spirit, should be worshipped. That linga at Banaras is not illuminated by the sun, moon, or the stars. That self luminous linga called Vishveshwara has its roots in Patala, that is myself. I should be worshipped by one who wears a sacred bhasma and rudraksha in the prescribed manner. I shall deliver him from all sins and sorrows. By performing my abhisheka, he attains my sayugna state. Nothing else other than myself. I initiate all with the Taraka mantra. Those who want mukti should live at Banaras. I will take care of them. I am the Lord of Brahma, Vishnu, and Rudra. The most corrupt man or woman will attain moksha if he or she dies at Banaras. Other sinners will be fried in the burning pits of live coals after death. Therefore, everybody should try to live at Banaras, which is my Pranalinga itself. Om, O Devas, may we hear with our ears what is auspicious. May we see with our eyes what is auspicious, O, a worthy of worship. May we enjoy the terms of life allotted by the Devas, praising them with our body and limb steady. May the glorious Indra bless us. May the all-knowing Sun bless us. May Garuda, the thunderbolt for evil, bless us. May Brahaspati grant us well-being. Om, let there be peace in me. Let there be peace in my environment. Let there be peace in the forces that act on me. Here ends the Bhasma Jabala Upanishad as contained in the Atharva Veda. Mantrahina, Kriyahina, Bhaktihina, Kshamapate. Om Sri Krishnarpanamastu.